Howdy y'all, this is K1 Locks, and today I come to you with an advertisement for Thumper's Lockpicking for the Skull 200th Lockpicker giveaway. Let me just go ahead and show you his little intro that he has. Here it is. Now, Thumper is a fantastic guy, man. This guy, not only do I talk to him through YouTube, but I also speak with him through Facebook. This guy is always helping me, no matter what issues I have, whether they be personal or lockpick related. This guy has always been there for me. I gotta tell you, if you aren't a subscriber to him right now, you should be. This is the way to go. Follow Thumper's Lockpicking and let him know how much you appreciate his channel. Now, I know we're supposed to only promote one channel with this video, and it's supposed to be the next 100 up from where you are, and I'm at 377 right now, and so I promoted Thumper, who's at approximately 426 at this point. But I also wanted to throw on a good word for ZedWrench. I just recently started following him, and well, here's a little bit from ZedWrench. From what I've seen so far, and I only started following him the other day, but from what I've seen so far, this guy has it locked in, period. He knows what he's talking about, and he has a fantastic channel. Super informative and really nice to watch. So here's my other promotion. Aside from Thumper's Lockpicking, I wanted to promote ZedWrench as well, who just reached over 100 subscribers. So thanks so much for watching. This is K1 Locks saying be safe, be legal, and be the law.